Hi guys, I hope that you have been enjoying my college series videos for the week, and we have another one today. Another Dollar Tree haul. A little fuzzy just like flew by, so in case you saw that, I have no idea what you just saw in the camera. There it goes again. What the heck? I'm a little tired because I've been filming these videos back to back and also trying to get all of them edited and just out for the week because I have a lot going on this week, this upcoming week, and it's a Sunday and I'm just trying to like knock all of this out. So we've got another haul, college series. Did I check that off? Did I already tell you guys that? And I know this yellow is washing me out completely, but this is the only other college hat that I have, and I wanted to just wear a college hat for my series. This is actually going to be our last Dollar Tree haul for the college series for this week. If you love this and you just need to see more college stuff, comment, thumbs up, let me know your thoughts. But yeah, so let's go ahead and dive in. So the very first category, I think I'm gonna call this desk supplies. It kind of can go in hand with the study supplies, but this is more for your desk and it includes things to study with, but also just decor in general. So this I actually hauled not too long ago, but it is a bunch of little photo albums. They have some of the cutest prints that are out right now, and this is going to be great to just take some memories with you, especially if you're not putting up pictures as your decor. This is going to be a great way to take pictures with you if you just kind of want something to flip through or to show like the new friends that you're making, you know, things like that. This one is gorgeous. I feel like this one's great for college. I love this print as well. So just really beautiful, cute little options. Yeah, so these are wonderful and they're $1 each, which is a steal. Now, if you're a mom watching this and you want additional ideas for these little albums, it would be cute that if you wanted to write little notes, you could write a bunch of little notes and just kind of slip it in, you know, right before you leave. You could like put it in a place where you know they're gonna find it, and then they'll just have a bunch of notes to read from you. So that would be a cute idea as well. These were actually made for Mother's Day. That is how Dollar Tree marketed these, but I love just the monochromatic coloring system. It matches the lid, the paper clips match this whole thing, and this is gonna be great for a dorm room, I think, especially if one of these matches the color that you are doing, and then you get cute little paper clips, and then you can even use the container for something else. You can dump out the paper clips and just use the container to organize with. I think they're made to look like little coffee cups, so I think that's adorable. These I hauled quite a bit ago, and I knew that I would eventually use these. I think these are going to be so cute to take to college. These are going to be magnets, and they're going to be great for the fridge or microwave. Is a microwave magnetic, or is it just a fridge? Is that a dumb question? But fridge is definitely going to be a safe thing for you guys to put these magnets on. And I love the packaging too, really adorable. And I feel like the patterns are very mature. It would be great for college dorm room. These are just some thumbtacks. I think it's amazing that you get 300 count in here for $1. Now, I have been mentioning in my past videos that my daughter's specific dorm room, you can't put any holes in the wall or anything like that. But in her room, there's actually like a section of the wall that is made as a cork board, like a bulletin board. And so you can use push pins for that specific section. Now, while I did already cover organizational things in the essentials video, I saved this one for this video. I'm not entirely sure why I did that, but this is going to be great to store in the desk space, and any sort of like flashcard system, study things, or maybe you just want to like collect your keys in a specific location, like whatever it may be. These little clear Sterilite containers are going to be great to just organize your desk space. That way you're nice and tidy and you're not overwhelmed by a messy space. Even though we already covered paper clips, Dollar Tree has multiple paper clips to choose from. They have these colors, which I really love. I feel like of all the colors, these are probably the most college style colors to me. They have your typical rainbow primary colors, then they have pastel colors, and then they have these, and I just think college girls would most likely choose this one. I don't really know. What do I know about the statistics on choosing paperclip colors? I just wanted to point out that I think these colors are really nice. And this I actually hauled a while back, and also hauled this in a pink option as well. I think these are gorgeous. Look how beautiful. This is going to come in handy in making your college desk space super adorable. You could use this to hang your, like, put your phone on. You can maybe FaceTime while you do some work, or like what. I hope my daughter doesn't do that. I hope she just focuses and studies. But you know what I'm saying? That's gonna happen. She'll probably do that with me. She'll FaceTime me while she's doing little things, and that's okay. I don't imagine that they're gonna put like business cards, even though I think that's what this is made for. I think for a college student, they'd probably put something else in there. And then this little container, you can put your paper clips and some pens. And speaking of pens, you guys would have seen, I think these actually appeared in the same haul together. By the way, there's a storm rolling in. It's actually a really bad storm. So it's getting kind of dark. Yeah, I think there's gonna be some hail. So anyway, these cute little fluffy pens, I feel like are just of all the fun, cutesy little pens Dollar Tree does, these are probably the cutest for college. I feel like they're not too childish, but they're really adorable, and these colors are gorgeous. These 3 items honestly could have ended up in my essentials video, but for whatever reason, when I was sorting through, I decided to keep it in this haul. But I have some items from the hardware section that I thought could be beneficial. So they've got these felt pads, and these are going to be great to just make things not so loud, and maybe you're not trying to wake up your roommate, you know, maybe they're taking a nap or it's nighttime, they're sleeping. You could put these on whatever drawers or doors, you know, that open up, like sink door, like whatever. These are going to just kind of cushion that sound and not be so loud. And then this is a doorknob and wall shield. I think most college doors have like the automatic thing where they just close, so I don't know that you could necessarily really kind of hit the wall, but maybe you could. But these are gonna be great just in case you feel like you don't want to deal with having to patch up holes or something as a parent. You could just install one of these doorknob and wall shields, and it says prevents damage, self-adhering, and it's paintable. More cleaning stuff. I got some of these cute little cleaning pads. I like the different colors. I've actually never purchased this for myself, which is interesting. They're microfiber. It's a 3-pack, so that's great. It's a great bang for your buck. I'm gonna install this also in the cleaning caddy, and you'll probably end up seeing that on my vlog channel. I'll put together what that cleaning caddy is gonna look like. So if you're not subscribed to my vlog and you kind of wanna know what's going on the college front, you'll probably get the answers over there. I recently hauled this. It is the Clean Caddy dish wand holder. I was thinking that this may be great for their sink, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw this into our supplies that we're gonna take to our college and see if this works out. Back to more cleaning supplies. Again, all of these little things are gonna be built into that cleaning caddy. I love these little pouches of wipes. They're small, compact, they're gonna fit great in that cleaning caddy. They're not gonna take up additional space. I thought that maybe these would fit in their little small trash can that's gonna go under their sink. So I just got a bag of that. This clips, and they're really cute. I love all the different little colors. They could use these for multiple things. They could actually use these. I've seen a picture, and if I can get one for you guys, I'll insert it. If not, sorry. But I've seen it like clipped onto the side of the desk, and then they use it to thread like cables through so that they don't kind of like fall to the ground. And that way the cables are like readily available when you're like plugging in your laptop charger or whatever. But also these could be great for just snacks, covering up bags of chips so that they don't go stale. So I also found this drawstring bag. Dollar Tree has a bunch of these. They come in different colors, they come in patterns. I just wanted to show you guys a really cheap option for a shower caddy. So $1, you could just use this as your actual shower caddy. Put your shampoo, your stuff, your towel. It should be big enough for everything, and there you have it. I trust me, I know first. Well, I'm starting to know. I'm starting to see the bills roll in, and I'm like, okay, this is just for 1 year. So the fact that you can just kind of go to Dollar Tree and get a lot of your needs met is just amazing. I found this cute little jar, and originally when I got this, I didn't find those acrylic drawers that you would have seen in the previous haul, and I mentioned that I was going to put in cotton cotton pads, cotton rounds, ear swabs. This would be a great option for that too, in case you're interested in more of a jar looking system. You could put all of those little, you know, bath accessories in here. You could even put bath bombs. You could get a couple of these little jars and fill them up. Cotton balls, cotton rounds, ear swabs, and you'll be able to see like the white through it, and it will look, you know, aesthetically pleasing. I know a lot of college girls get really into how they design their dorm room, so this is something as a parent to consider. These are just some little miscellaneous things, but Dollar Tree has these little desk mirrors. Something very small, compact, they can kind of put away. Little emergency mirror. This I actually hauled not too long ago. It's a Cool Gear, and it has the little pill container and this little protective sleeve. All right, up next is going to be this hair and wrist band. I recently hauled this for you guys. I love this idea for a college girl because it has multi-purpose. You can actually slip money into here, and they can wear it around their wrists, and they can put it in their hair. So I love this idea, and they can definitely, I think if a dollar bill can fit in here, a key can fit in here. So this is a great option for them. Another thing I found that is going to be great, this is probably more for decor, but this is a 2019 calendar with inspirational quotes. I feel like if anybody probably, I mean, everybody can benefit from inspirational quotes on the daily, definitely. I think this is gonna be great too for college students and get that, just that extra push, and, you know, and you never know, it could completely change their day around. Next up, I found this also in my stash and thought this is perfect. Also from Dollar Tree, it is this Migraine Wrap. It is gel filled, microwave safe, and it is freezer friendly as well. So it can go in their microwave if they want it to be hot. It can go in the fridge, the little mini fridge, if they want it cold. And it tells you how to handle cold or heat therapy. This is perfect. As soon as I saw this, I was like, thank goodness I saved this. Because when I first hauled it, I honestly did not think of college. Maybe I mentioned it in the haul. Who knows? Maybe I did mention it, but I have since forgotten, and now, it just clicked for me. I was like, this is perfect just in case they have a headache. On that wellness side, some little patches. This is gonna be great, you guys. Throw this in there for your kid. Backaches, arthritis, muscle aches, sprains and strains, especially maybe all that walking. Maybe they didn't do their classes appropriately and they scheduled a class 10 minutes apart from one side of the campus to the next, and they gotta run, like whatever it may freaking be. These are gonna be great to just kind of throw into their little wellness pack of goodies. And the very last thing, these are actually brand new items. I've never seen Dollar Tree put these out, but they are little shower caps, and they are so adorable. They had a ton of prints to choose from. This one just kind of looks like a plain green. This one looks like a pink cactus theme. It's kind of hard to tell. Oh, the print's right here in the picture. This one has ice cream cones. Why won't you autofocus? And this one, I don't really know what kind of pattern this is. If it would focus. There we go. And this one is just a solid blue. All right, guys, that is it for my Dollar Tree hauls for the college series. Hope that you guys have enjoyed this. In my mind, I'm thinking there's going to be one more video, but I actually have not flushed it out completely. So I'm just going to pretend like this is the last installment. And if there is another video, I'll just call it a bonus video. So in the event that this is the very last video in the college series, thank you so much for watching it and giving my videos a thumbs up and just supporting my channel in general. It really helps me out a lot, and I'm so appreciative of that. Hope that you enjoyed the college series, and I will see you again for maybe another book review Friday. Get back on to our just normal everyday Dollar Tree hauls, and hopefully I'll see you guys there. Bye.